If you want to take a long screenshot on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then what you can do is you can open any app, page or website where we can scroll. So let's say I'm gonna use the Google app in this example. And then you can capture a screenshot. So there are many different ways to capture a screenshot. You can use, for example, the power button and volume down button, or you can just touch and hold with 3 fingers on the screen. And then here we have this arrow button, and the phone is going to scroll down. And of course we can just keep going. We can also manually adjust it, so we can just scroll down manually by ourselves. And then once you select the end of the screenshot, then you should be able to tap on this red button in here, and we should be able to save the scrolling screenshot or long screenshot. You can of course tap on it in order to have a little preview, and you can of course scroll down here as well. But if you want to reopen it, you can, for example, of course, use the Photos app, and then here we have our long screenshot. So we should be able to zoom in, and then we can just scroll down. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.